Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, the Data Boy channel. We have really gone far in this channel and we are about to round up the MySQL series. You guys have really gone far. You guys have tried, stay with me since the beginning of the channel to the end. It's not easy. It has not been easy. So I'm really happy you all stayed and it's been very, very, very good to actually teach you, thank you for giving me the opportunity to actually teach you all. I really do appreciate. Now, today we'll be looking at CTEs. What are CTEs? The full name is called the Common Table Expression. CTE, Common Table Expression. Okay, they're like temporary tables. That's literally what they are. Do you get? So, it's a temporary table, temporary results that the temporary result set that we can reference within a query. Do you get? When you're like having a query, we can now reference it, like creating a temporary result set, then later we'll reference it and get a particular result from the inner one. Do you get? So it opens like a result set and then later we'll reference it, selecting from it. Do you get what I'm saying? So it allows us to break complex queries into smaller ones. Do you get? Smaller and more understandable parts. Do you understand me? So that's it. So CTE helps us to write SQL queries that is easier to read, easier to debug, easier to maintain. Do you get what I'm saying? So that's literally it. The basic syntax of CTE. Let me just tell you the basic syntax. This is how CTE looks like. Say with using the word with. This is the with is a keyword. Then you input your CTE name, the name of the city you want, and then ask how you want it. Then you select column one, then probably column two, column two, anyhow you want it, and then from your table, that's literally how it works. Then you can now select outside. You can see you select outside after creating a query inside, and you can now select it. It just makes it neater. Then from the city, we can use CTE for many things, various things like calculating row numbers, for duplicates, very various things for ranking, a lot of things, man, a lot of things. So we use CTE for a lot of things. So we define CTE using the with keyword. As you can see, this keyword with, and then we give it a name and then write the query inside. This query inside, and after that we can now treat it like a normal table, like selecting from it. So it's like a temporary table. Do you get what I'm saying? So that's literally how a CTE works. So I'll give you an example and we'll be going through them one by one. So let's see our customers table. Let's end this. See our customers table. Okay. Select. Don't forget, so we put in block letter. Select everything from customers. Okay. Then should line. I'm sorry about this. That's what I wanted to run. So this is the customers table. Okay. Then selecting everything as well. Select everything from my orders. My orders table. Let's run this one like this. Run this one like this. Okay. Are you seeing it? So now, what do we want to do? I want to use this calculation to create the average price. The average price. Do you get the average price? Then no, okay. Select. Okay, then select. Okay, how to select products that are greater than the average size or the average price. So that's literally what I want to do. So we say with my city name, average price products, can you see? Then as do you get, so selecting my product names, the column name rather, product, and then price, okay. Then from from the table itself, that's the orders table. From the orders table, can you see? Now, this is what I want to do. Before that, then I'll create an average price, then say AVG of the price, okay, as average price from orders, okay, from orders, then that's it. That's literally it. Now, as you can see, this is literally what I want to do. And now I want to select the product and the price. The products and the price from, or you can see select everything, but it will also we also show the average price. So from my city, what's the name of my city? Average price. Name of my city is average price product, as you can see. Then where the average price, so I stated average price is greater than, where the price rather is greater than the average price. Where the price is greater than the average price. So let's see how we can run this. So it's group by aggregated. Okay. Sorry. Where price? Group by. Okay, I used an aggregated query. So it's like average is an aggregate. Do you get? So that's literally what it's telling me. Average is an aggregate. So I have to use the group by. Do you get what I'm saying? So group by products. Does it make sense? Let's see. No, it doesn't make sense. Unknown column product in group statement. Okay, let's see. I'm coming. Okay, I think this should be inside here. Okay. Should throw an error because this particular, I'm just showing you the structure. This particular one is not making sense to me. I will tell you why, but let's run this. Yeah. Now it says select 2 is not in group by clause. The expression 2 is not in group by contain non-aggregated column and another price. Now this is what I want you to learn. I want you to learn something. Now I want to join this. I told you it's a new table now. This is a new table, like a temporary table. Now I want to join them, then create where the normal price is greater than the average price. That means the normal price from the main table is greater than the average price from this particular table we created. Do you understand what I'm saying? So we're now like creating a join. I've taught you joins before. So now we have to like create a join where a join from the orders table normally. So we'll create the price where the price from the orders table is greater than the average price from here. Do you get what I'm saying? I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Now, this is what I want to do. I intentionally did that. So we'll They said, they said expression 2, select list is not in group by clause and contains not aggregated. So this, that our former previous select list, it contains non-aggregated column, blah, 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 but not functioning dependent on the column in group by clause. That is incompatible with the S. Can you see now? It's telling you that they are not compatible. You cannot just say this price within the same. Do you get non-functionally dependent on the column? Now, this price depends on this particular column. The average price depends on the particular column instead of it depending on another, it being independent on the same column. Do you get? Because both columns are now in the CTE. Now, we are creating, select, I want to name my, this thing, my tables O. So we're selecting everything. Okay. Then from others O. Selecting everything from others O. Okay. Can you see? Now, this is what I want to join. I want to join the average price product, which is my CTE temporary table, mind you. My CTE, call it CTE. Do you get what I'm saying? Then, which is my CTE. Alright, on. Now, I'm joining them on where product is the same thing because there's product in my, now you understand now. So O dot product should be equal to CTE dot product. Can you now see? So what do I do now? Where O dot price is now greater than, so it's selecting where O dot price is greater than average price from it. Do you get what I'm saying? So this set table 2 list. Why is it creating an error? The city the product. It said with average price product. Said expression 2 of select list is not in group by clause and contain non-aggregated column. I'm coming. Okay, expression 2 contain non-aggregated price, which is not functionally dependent. So let me try and see if I can change this to an aggregated column, which is category. Let's see, let's just try. Still the same, expression 1 is not in group by. Select expression 1 is functionally dependent. Oh, I'll just control, then it's not here. Then okay. I think I know where the issue is. Yes, bam. This is where the issue is. We are returning, can you see, we are selecting everything from others O. We are returning what we have aggregated as, which is not what I want. Do you get what I'm saying? I want to return every single column. You get, it's just a simple syntax. So since I'm not returning any aggregates, I don't want to aggregate anymore. I'm just returning. Do you get? I'm just returning individual rows. That's the others now from the others table. I'm returning individual. I'm not aggregating anymore. Do you get what I'm saying? So, where the average price is not among the others. So that's literally what I'm saying. Do you get what I'm saying? So, you're assuming something like I did select the product and the sum of price. Then from others, then I'll now group by products. Obviously, I have to. So since I want to return each individual row, do you get what I'm saying? Without aggregation. So thank you. I don't need it. So I don't need group by, and I need to do one change. There's what you call a particular change there, which I'll teach you now. So I want full rows, no grouping. Do you get what I'm saying? So I just want to let it return all the products where the price is greater than the average price you get using the city. So I'm selecting from inside there, but At the same time, I'm joining. So I'm giving you a standard CTE question. So can you say, oh, you add this. This is what you add. So this tells it that, yes, I'm returning every single row without aggregation. You get every single row without aggregation. Now let's see whether it work. It's meant to work. It says select 2 is not, it's still giving that same error. Still giving the same error. Still giving the same error. Still giving the same error. Where is the problem from? This is a big, big, big problem. Where is this? Am I making a mistake with every product select product price? Oh, we are grouping by product. Fuck, Jesus, this is so. Just look at me. Just look at me. Just take a look at me. I selected product and price. I'm grouping by only product. You get. Now I have to clean up this price. I have to clean up this price. Why? Because if I say let me group by both of them, there will not be any usefulness. It's pointless to do the average price since I'm grouping by price. Do you get what I'm saying? So it's pointless, makes it pointless. It's just like I now, and this is what I did initially. I selected products in one column, then um, average price in another column. Then I'm not looking for price. I was not looking for price that I did not aggregate. Do you get what I'm saying? So let's retry and see where this happened. Okay, this is quite long. All right, this is fair. So there is no product greater than the average. So let me just select true from others, O dot, blah, blah, blah. So literally no product. What's the average? There is no product that the price is greater than the average. So let me say select everything from others again. So I'll see return on the average. What's the average? There should be because they are like a lot of products on 6,000, 8,000. There are some products on 6,000 and 8,000, which is meant to be. So where the price, oh, see me, just look at me. CTE dot, yes, this is what I want. CTE dot average price, yes. No, is it CTE? Yeah, CTE. Yes. Let's rejoin. Let's rejoin this and see. Said, name. Oh, see me. I went to highlight everything. Okay. So it's important you know the errors. The 0 was returned. Price. Why is it not giving? Could return average price. Average price. Although it's meant to give though. It's meant to give. This is the syntax. I literally do not know why it's not giving. You get this is literally. So there are like literally no products greater than it. That's literally what it's trying to tell you. No products greater than it. But it's meant to work. It is. It's meant to work because CTE the product. There's products in this and there's this and this. Okay, where prices? Yes. Everything is well. Everything is going well. Everything is awesome. You get what I'm saying? So as average price analog, then let me select average price from city over price of products over products. Got the products. Average price of t-shirts. Okay. Select product. Okay. Now, this is literally what we do. So there are no, actually, my syntax was right. So for every t-shirt price, the average price of every t-shirt is 500. Average price of every sneaker is 5. So there is like no t-shirt that is greater than the average price of each t-shirt. That's what I did. Do you get? So there's no sneakers that is greater than the average price of each of them. Do you get? So that's literally how it works. So that's why it's zero, gives zero. Because there's no like t-shirt that is above the normal price, and then there's no t-shirt that is like there's no sneakers that is greater than the above the average price of sneakers and all of that. So this is literally the amount of every t-shirt you see. That's what it's telling you. So creating a table that we did a CTE that creates list out the products that are greater than the average price of that particular product, no matter the amount. Do you get the average price of the particular product, no matter the amount? Do you get what I'm saying? So we can also do average price of the day. We'll look at the products that are greater than the average price of the day. Do you get? They can be done. Just look for a column that can be aggregated. Aggregate it via another column that you can work on. Do you get what I'm saying? That you can group by on. That's literally how it works. Then you now select it. The aim of this teaching is just to show you that CTE can use CTE to perform many calculations and query on MySQL. So that's literally how it works. So we'll move on. We're moving. I'm glad you're like grabbing it little by little. That's literally my joy. So now, what's the difference between CTE and subquery? Let me just tell you something. Everything we can do with a CTE, we can also do it with subquery. It's as easy as that. Anything you do with a CTE, you can do it with subquery. But why do we use CTE? CTE makes it cleaner. Now, if it was select now, you will not be able to cleanly do this. You have to select everything from a particular, you have to select from the subquery. Do you get what I'm saying? So now, but this one does it perfectly well. Do you get it? This one does it perfectly well. CTE does it perfectly, then select from each of them. Do you get what I'm saying? So CTE works better and faster for you. Do you get what I'm saying? So you can use CTE with lots of window functions. You can also use CTE with lots of windows. Let me just show you CTE versus subquery. I'll just give you an example. So let me just give you a CTE. Let me say I'm not working my data now. Select everything from, this is how a subquery works. Select name, probably name, salary, then go down here, do your normal job, name, salary, then from your employees table, probably employees table, then wage, salary, employees, then where the salary, greater than the salary is greater than 70,000. Just assume. So as for a temporary table. So these are subquery loads. Can you see selecting everything from it, which is not, but with CTE now we can just say with probably average salary. Let's say average salary is 70k. Probably average salary CTE asks something like this. Then we now have to like select department or section, like sales department and all that. So select the average of salary from each department. Then you look for the employees that have greater salary than, so department ID. Okay. Then Average salary per department. So average salary as average salary from the employees table, and then group by department ID, department ID. Then you now select everything from the average salary. CTE. So this is how it works. This is the difference. So you can see makes it perfect and looks so well with the CTE as this and this. So there are differences and you can see it makes it neater. So it allows us to separate the aggregation logic from the main query. That's what CTE does. So now you can also use CTE with window functions. My best is that ranking and colon, row number. So they are like, those are my best. So you say with row number, we duplicate CTE as, say, probably a row number. You select everything from the others table. You get select everything from others table. Then you say select everything, comma. Select everything, comma. Then say the row number. Over. Then partition by. So you partition by each department. Look for the duplicates in each department. So department. Then order by salary. So you choose where the duplicate salary, sending order, or as row number. Do you get? No. Do you really have to order? No, yeah, you do. It doesn't matter, Sha. So you can also rank. You can rank it. So you can create a dense rank or a normal rank. I told you the difference between a dense rank and a normal rank. For a normal rank, it will show you the normal ranking, like normal ranking, 1, 1, 1, that kind of thing. 1, 1, but dense rank now returns everything just the way it is. Do you get what I'm saying? So it returns all the ones as 1. Do you get? And then all the twos as 2. Do you get? So that's literally the difference. So I also say rank over same thing. Let's come and post it here as rank. Then you can come back here, rank position. Then you come back here and say from the employees table or other salary department. I'm just showing you this time. I'm not using my customers table or others table. You get? If I want to use others table, let me see if I can use others table. Select everything from others. Let me see that if there are duplicate others. Let me even make it more realistic. Thank you for even reminding me. My brain. Okay, let me see if that duplicates others, right? How to see if that duplicates others. Alright, select everything from here, then row number, calculate each row number, then over partition by other ID. Order ID, then over. They say duplicates others, right? With price. Then rank them as price. Then you rank. I want to rank this. Just similar thing. Price, sorry. So Select from my table, which is others. Okay. Then select everything from others. Okay. Where row number in the city. No, where from the others, where ID is the ID. Department ID. No other ID. Select other ID. From the city, where row number is better than 1. Then goes so shows that there is no duplicate. Can you see? This shows that there is no duplicate. And then for the rank, as you can see, I removed the rank. I removed that ranking. If you want us to rank it, I can put it back and then remove this one. And then we'll run it. Same thing. So since there are no rank of anything, since it's not to show that there is no duplicate. So this is working city with this city with window function. So it's literally not hard. It's just you to apply your sense of everything you get. So now we can use multiple cities at the same time. Yes, we can use multiple cities at the same time. Select average, then INRs from employee side, or we can select the average price, then high price product, anything you want, double selection, anyhow. Do you get what I'm saying? Then that's multiple cities. Do you get what I'm saying? So these ones will allow us to build queries step by step. Do you get what I'm saying? So something like this. Love to show you. So with let's say average price, something like we made before. Let me just even not go far. But I've made it before. Yes, average. I said salary. I've done average price. Yes, average products price. Something like this. We'll just come, put it here. Something like this now. Now I want to calculate high price. High price good. High priced products. But now we need to put this comma. That's very important. So this one as. So now I want to join itself to itself. Do you get? I want to join it to itself. The table. the other table to itself as usual, like we did in the other. So you can now come here, just like we did here. Where did I join? Yes, here. Okay. So high price products is now here. Select everything from others. Where O dots, yeah, this one is good. As you can see, this is running well. So now we have two cities. We have this one as average price. Then we have this one joined on. Do you get what I'm saying? We have it joined on. Do you get what I'm saying? Joined on it. Now, um, okay, let's see where I'm making the mistake. Yeah, okay, select everything from high priced. So I've joined two cities together, as you can see. This first one, then the second one. Then the second one depends on the first one because it's fetching data from the first one, and then we joined it. Easy. Very, very easy. Very, 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 very easy. As you can see, the easiest thing you can actually meet in your entire life. So now, we join it and then we choose from where the price is greater than the price. So we are now selecting everything from high price goods. So let's go and try. See if it works. Yes, it works. Can you see nothing? Still produce the same thing. So to tell you that there are no priced products. There are no products that are higher than their particular average, the particular average of the product. Let's say I have 10 shirts and each of them have an average of each of them have an average of 2,500 naira per shirt. Now there is no tell you that there is no shirt that is greater than that 2,500 naira average. Some will be lesser. Some will be like 1,800, some will be like 1,900, some will be like 2,000, some will be 2,004, some will be exactly 2,005. But there's no product there's no t-shirt product greater than that average price. That's the training method. So it allows us to build queries step by step, as you can see. So we will not go deep. There's something you call recursive CTE. So there's also something you call recursive CTE, which we use them in hierarchical data, just data that have classes like hierarchy. You fetch this one from the other one. So that's literally what that's literally how. So I will not go deep into that one. So just know it exists. Do you get? So there are common mistakes people make in this city. Some forget keywords. So yeah, as you can see, I even made some mistakes. I group by wrong. I did some things. Do you get? I wanted to directly use greater than, which would not work because now you're telling me that I'm using the same column within the city price greater than the average, whereas I need to fetch the price from the real data, just like the way I did in that duplicate, where I fetched the department ID from the real data where it is equal to it in the city. I should have also used where in. Can you see? Now, when you forget to give city a name, it produces error. So when you also try to reuse a city outside its own query, it produces error. Produces error. When you use a city outside its query, it produces error. Then when you overcomplicate simple queries too, so some people try and overcomplicate their simple queries, so making everything look easy, just complicate things. So please do not store data permanently. Don't store data permanently at all. Please, they only exist while the query is running. Do not store it permanently, please. While the query is running, that is where the data exists. Don't go and tell me that now you're like trying to use the update set is equal to please do not. Let it run only when the city is running. Do you get? So as you are seeing, as this SQL series is becoming more advanced and we're writing clean and structured queries, so these queries now become just as important as getting the correct result. So we have to find a way to always get the correct result. You produce errors, that's part of the game. Can you see we're now making more errors and then we are cleaning them, showing that we are getting better daily, educating ourselves and all of that. So that's like literally how it goes. So SQL is not just about working queries, it's about the readable and maintainable queries. Use your sense, use your brain, think, explore, imagine how it should be, how you, by all means, find the necessary solution, the most important solution, the real solution to it. You get to every problem, specify. Just make sure you just find the solution. That's literally where MySQL is used to find solutions. SQL queries are used to find solutions to big problems, tough problems, and you encounter tougher problems ahead. So I'm just telling you. So thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this lesson. I really do appreciate it. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Comment where you do not understand. I promise to explain that part. Do you get what I'm saying? So thank you so much, guys. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. We are almost at the end of this series. We'll move to our next section soon. I'll not say it, but let's keep going till we finish this. Thank you so much, guys. I really, really, really appreciate it. Oops.